අපි යනවා දැන් මටරුනි ගමේ කෝපි හදනවා බලන්න. කොහොමද ටැන්සානියා කෝපි හදන්නේ කියලා. මේ දිනේ මෙයා කරන තැනක් ටූරිස්ට්ලට.
Maybe you need to use the wash. This is Materuni village.
Okay.
And also this village we call it the Materuni village because of the big clan found in here. The big clan because most of the people living here they come from the Materu clan.
Materu clan. Materu clan.
Materu clan. That's why
it's called Materuni.
Materuni village. And also the one who's at the middle here is like our DJ. So he make the beat. And also we follow the beat by clap the hands like this one. Yeah, but because we are here for the experience.
Yeah.
So maybe you can be the first one. I can be your papa.
Moja twanga, twanga na uyo ranga, twanga pole pole, twanga making coffee, twanga loco way, twanga kunna matata, twanga Kilimanjaro, twanga from brother, tuna twanga twanga, nago twanga from brother, twanga uzi waze, twanga ni Materuni, twanga loco way, twanga na uyo juru.
Now the second shell finish, huh?
Yes, yeah. Now we have to separate the second shell away from the coffee beans.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yes, here how we just do, we just use the atmosphere, just wind up and blow. Yes, yeah. We say pepeta in Swahili.
Pepeta. Petting.
Yes,
Wey baby, pepeta, pepeta.
So the remaining one,
just pick it out, right?
yes, yeah. So now it's roasting, huh?
hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Jambo jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata. Mbuluta siele mama, mbuluta siele mama, nahitaji kupembelezana. Naumia, 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 naumia.
The last shell,
last
which
shell,
are very
yeah.
skin of the coffee.
Yeah.
So after roasting the coffee, so we have to back to our local gin to grind it.
Grind.
To get the powder.
Kabla sijajenga nyumba jamani, mwalimu mwalimu. Chakacha moja, chakacha. 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 Happy people, happy, happy, bole, bole, happy, slowly, slowly, happy, hakuna matata, happy, happy, majamero tere, happy narongai, happy, 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 shake, shake, happy, happy, kama mimi yule wanaisha kuoa.
So
Now,
while you
finish.
these two, I hope you can see the difference, right? This is the chunky, this is the fine.
Okay.
So while we do the roasting, there are some beans getting more heat more than others. The one getting more heat is the one is very easy to be crushed.
Okay.
Yeah, and also while you make your coffee, with this one your coffee is looking black in color, and also the taste also it will be the same, or it will be the sour taste. So the chunky one we just return to the machine, grind once more, and also it looking lighter in color and very strong in taste. So for the moderate quality and flavor, so we just mixing together the dark one and the lighter one to get the best flavor of the
Best
coffee.
flavor. Okay. Okay.
Yes, yeah. Ogilaji jammeja.
Ogilaji jameja.
Ogilaji kaguru.
Ogilaji jagolo.
Ogilaji pole pole.
Ogilaji pole pole.
Ogilaji Kilimanjaro.
Ogilaji Kilimanjaro.
Ogilaji jameja.
Ogilaji jameja.
We just put it here like that.
Yeah.
No need to.
No. Because of the end we just filter.
Okay.
Yes,
Filter
yeah.
again. Huh?
Yes, sir. And here how we make our own cup of the coffee. We are not boiling water on the cup. Normally we just boil water until the maximum boiling, and then take a pure powder coffee, mix into the boiling water. And also we just do like this one in order to know the good coffee and the one which already expired. Because for the good coffee, also while you just put it to the water, after the boiled water must inform in bubble, like the beer while we put it to the glass.
Good one.
Yes, yeah. We know it's good one. But the one which already maybe expired, while we put to the water, must cool.
Okay.
Yes. So now we just
Boil in the
put
water.
with the last
Your phone now to take your slow motion.
just filter it.
Filter.
Yes. And also for the remaining one, also we can use to make another cup.
Another cup of coffee.
Yes, yeah. And also it's good for fertilizer.
After
Fertilizer.
that. Oh, yeah.
Yes, yeah. And also sometimes we can just use like a medicine. Just dry it, burn it for.
මේ තියෙන්නේ අතන අපි පල්ලේ හදපු කෝපි එක.
Your camera is here.
Yeah.
Nomor 7 apa mau? Nomor 7. Zucu. Right.
Uh-huh.
In our starter, we have a granda banana together with the beans.
Okay.
And also we have a granda banana together with the beef.
Okay.
So we can just try both. And then after starter, having a main course.
Okay.
Yes. Nibe yo. With the granda banana together with the beef.
With the beef.
Yeah, we call it intori.
What you call?
Intori.
Untori.
Intori.
Untori.
Yes, intori.
Untori.
Yeah.
Oh.
And this one is the granda banana together with the beans.
Oh.
We call it kiburu.
Kiburu.
Yeah. So and right here we have some chili.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, chili.
Okay.
Yeah, so self-service.
Okay, sure.
Eat as much as you can.
අද දවල්ට මේ කාලි ඉවර කළේ චාගා ට්‍රයිබ් එකේ ඒගොල්ලොන්ගේ කෑම ලෝකල් කෑම. මෙතන තියෙන බීෆ් කරි එකක් වගේ හදලා මෙතන තියෙනවා ස්පිනච් මේ බත් එකක් හදලා තියෙනවා. මේ සුප් බීන්සුයි කෙහෙල් ගෙඩි යම් අල දාලා මේ වගේම තව එකක් තිබ්බා බීෆ් දාලා රහයිති හොඳයි කන්න පුළුවන්. එතන තියෙනවා චිලි මේක දාගත්තහම අපිට කතයි අන්තර කාලිවල කන්න පළතුරු තියෙනවා. මොකද මේකේ කතන්දරේ බඩ පෙරෙන්න ගෑව හැබැයි